Hey guys, Meta 35 here on Breakers TV. Guys, thank you so much for joining in tonight's break. We're doing 2 boxes, 2015 Draft Jumbo Baseball. 3 hits per box, 6 hits. Oh, thanks, babe. Thanks, buddy. Almost called you babe. That's kind of messed up. Here we go, guys. Thanks again. Thanks, babe. I hate selling that many resold teams from eBay, but I can't do anything about it. It's not fair for guys that they don't want to break now. It just sucks. Oops. Guys, I have another inner case of Supreme tomorrow. I got a bunch of breaks going on tomorrow night. Hopefully you guys want to partake some football. We have a good time. Here we go. What's up, babe? It's hanging around the lady all day today. What's up, babe? Here we go, guys. Good luck. Oh, jeez. She slipped out of my hands. There we go. That's kind of weird. How long that pack is. A lot of extra. It's kind of funny. Interesting. Let's move some stuff back. That was weird. This camera, I don't know. Alright, here we go. Mickey White, Spencer Adams, A's and White Sox, and there it is. There we go. First hit for the Cubs. We were just talking about that. Congratulations to the Cubs. Donnie for the Cubbies. First hit. Congratulations to the Cubs. Donnie. Cool. And then we got a gold paper. Hillman for the Indians. $26 of 50. Juan Hillman for the Indians. Base. Moss and Ellis, Angels and Rays, and Cody. Cody pounced for the Brewers. Congratulations to the Brewers. Where's the color at? Color autos. Cody Ponce for the Brewers. Well, there we go. Out of 499. Swanson, Diamondbacks, paper. Dansby. 53 of 499. I gotta separate those real quick. Nick Gordon. It's kind of a fat card base. There we go. James for the Yankees. Bowman Scouts. Ryan and Cole Stewart. Diamondbacks and Twins are your refractors. Angels and Reds are your refractors. Base. Last stack, stack one. Here we go. Refractors is Josh and Jake, Rays and Marlins, and Josh Naylor for the Marlins. There you go. Josh Naylor for the Marlins. There we go. Hits are coming out quicker than I thought right now. Base. Stack 2, here we go. Good luck. Refractor, Drew, Grant Holmes, Yankees, Dodgers. Trey Ball, Red Sox, refractor. Base. Here we go. Easy Cheesy, what's up, brother? Josh and Tyler, Diamondbacks and Royals. Oh, it's my boy Tyler J for the Twins. Is that for sale? Is that for sale? You gonna sell that to me, Twins boy? Tyler J, I collect him. Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe. I got so many of them, it's crazy. Congratulations, man. Tyler J. Looks perfect, brother. It's a nice hit. He's going to be a good player. Base. All right. No, it's very